So this is page number 59 of the chapter, the car driver. Okay, and our question is, complete these sentences in a few words. Half the sentence is given and blank is there. We have to complete the sentence. And the first one is, the names of the bullocks are dash and dash. Remember children, there were two bullocks in our story. And what were the names of those bullocks? In one of the dialogue, the car driver has said the names of those two bullocks. Now let me check if you remember that or not. So we have to write here the name of the bullocks. Okay? And what will be our answer? B-H-O-L-A, Bhola, and Ranjha, R-A-N-J-H-A, Ranjha, Bhola and Ranjha. Remember children, when they have unloaded the cart and the bullocks came back after having food and water, then the car driver said to the bullocks, "Hey, hey, pull well, Bhola, pull well, Ranjha." This was said by the car driver. Okay, so the names of the two bullocks was Bhola and Ranjha. So the sentence will be, the names of the bullocks are Bhola and Ranjha. And as we are writing the names children, so here B will be capital and here R will be capital because they are the names of the bullocks, hence they are proper noun. And the first letter of a proper noun is always capital. We always write the first letter of proper noun capital. So Bhola B should be capital and Ranjha R should be capital. I repeat, the names of the bullocks are Bhola and Ranjha. Full stop is already given. You need not give the full stop again. Let's see the second sentence. It took a total of dash hour to unload and load the cart. You remember, they have first unloaded the cart so that they can pull the cart out of the mud, and after the cart was out of the mud, they loaded the cart back again. So it took a total of dash hour to unload and load the cart. How much time it took to load and unload the cart? See children, it is asking here, it took a total of dash hour. Total it is asking, not only to unload the cart. Total of what? Total hour to unload the cart plus how much it took to load the cart. So it is asking a total. That means we have to do addition here. It is a math sum for you. It took total of dash hour to unload the cart plus how much time it took to load the cart. So you remember, it took half an hour to unload the cart and it took half an hour to load the cart. So what are we going to do? Half an hour plus half an hour, that becomes 1 hour. Okay, so we are going to write the total here because in the question it is asking total. It took a total of dash hour to unload and load the cart. So we have done the total, it is 1. So we will write here 1. R is already written here. So the answer is 1. It took a total of 1 hour to unload and load the cart. Okay? Let's go to the third one. The story teaches us that dash. Now which story? The car driver. What this story teaches us. So for writing this answer, that is the third one, the story teaches us dash. This is your page number 59. See the last line of the story. Traveler 2 said, just remember this, if we work hard and if we work together, we can do a difficult task. This Traveler 2 explained to car driver. Okay, so this is what we learn from this story. Okay, but this is a very long sentence. In short, we can write unity is strength. Now, what do you mean by unity is strength? When we stay united in all situations, we are together and we can do difficult work easily. Okay, this is what is said by Traveler 2. What? That if we work hard and if we work together. Together means unity. United means staying together. And we can do difficult tasks easily. That becomes our strength. So in short, we can write as unity is strength. Okay? So come back to the page number 60. So what are we going to write here? Unity is strength. Okay? Unity means staying together. And by staying together, we can do difficult tasks easily. That becomes our strength. Any work, we can do it easily when we stay together, when we stay united. So the answer is, the story teaches us that unity is strength. Okay? Let's go through all the three sentences once again, children. I repeat the spelling, children. Check it out. U-N-I-T-Y. Unity. I-S is strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H. Strength. Unity is strength. Unity means staying together. And here strength means we can do difficult tasks easily. Whatever the task may be, when we are together, we will be able to do that. So that becomes unity is strength. Okay. Now I come back to the first sentence. Let's go through all the three sentences once again. Here is our first sentence. The question was, complete these sentences in a few words. Number 1. The names of the bullocks are Bhola and Ranja. What were the names of the bullocks? Bhola and Ranja. Keep it in mind, children. These are the names of the bullocks, so it is a proper noun. Hence, we have written B and R, that is the first letter of the word, capital, because those are proper nouns. The names of the bullocks are Bhola and Ranja. Sentence number 2. It took a total of 1 hour to unload and load the cart. We have written 1 here because we have added the time of unloading the cart plus the time for loading the cart, because in the question it is asked total time. So we have written 1. Half an hour to unload the cart and half an hour to load the cart. So half plus half becomes 1. Okay. So our answer is, it took a total of 1 hour to unload and load the cart. Okay, let's see the third one. The story teaches us that unity is strength. The story teaches us that unity is strength. I hope you have understood the meaning of unity is strength. Okay, children? So hereby we complete all the